Hey, Shashank.
Hey, Rebecca.
Hi, everybody. So today we're going to have a little bit of a story time. We're going to talk about somebody who had absolutely no capital.
No technology.
And basically started out with really absolutely nothing.
No experience, no technology, no skills.
Nada.
In this video, we're going to talk about the David and Goliath story. Before we talk about that, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so we can make more fun videos for you.
So story time, story time, story time.
In 2002, eBay invested $30 million in a company called eachnet.com.
What the hell's that?
That was an eBay clone made by a Harvard graduate in China.
Okay.
With the $30 million investment, eBay got a 33% stake in that company.
Wow.
At the same time, Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, worked 3 months day and night along with his 16 to 18 friends in a small apartment to create a website called Taobao.com. Basically, that Taobao is Chinese for treasure. In 2003, again, eBay invested another $150 million to buy eachnet.com. They owned eachnet.com after that. With that, 10 million user base in China, and eBay also controlled 95% of the market share. Do you think with that, eBay could have beaten Alibaba.com?
Absolutely. It was dominating the market. What would be the point?
It did not. How did Alibaba become so successful? It's all about personalization. With just one tactic, they were able to beat the giants of e-commerce at that time, which was eBay. Meg Whitman, the CEO of eBay at that point of time, had invested almost $180 million into eachnet.com in China. Jack Ma realized Wall Street investors would have pressurized, put pressure on Meg Whitman and eBay.com to capitalize on the $180 million investment in China.
Yeah.
They were more focused on generating, the ROI, the revenue out of the investment. Jack Ma found an amazing opportunity in this. What he did is he created Taobao.com and announced that it would be free for the users for the next 3 years.
Wow.
eBay wrote an email to Jack Ma saying that the free model does not work.
The freemium model does not
The free
work?
model. It was not freemium. It was completely
Free. Wow.
Would not work. Jack Ma proved it wrong. Here's a few things that Taobao.com did differently that eBay did not realize and kind of ignored or didn't take Alibaba.com seriously at that point of time. eBay took eachnet.com and connected it with the eBay global website and discontinued all the Chinese features. Now, their strategy was making it a complete global website. What they did not understand is the Chinese users are more accustomed to using things that are really Chinese oriented. Jack Ma realized this opportunity, and on Taobao.com he had live chat where you can continue to build trust and relationship with other friends on the website. The entire website was designed around the Chinese psychology and the mindset. As a result of that, eBay.com was not able to dominate the Chinese marketplace, and just after a few years, even after another $100 million investment into China, eBay failed, and that was an opportunity for Alibaba.com and Taobao.com to grow as the e-commerce portal in China. The lesson learned from this story is personalization is extremely important. And just because you do not have the tools or technology or the skills, you cannot be defeated. You still can win the marketplace if you have the right mindset and if you understand the customers. If you're focusing too much on revenue immediately at the beginning of your startup, that's not a good idea. Focus on the consumer, and the consumer is going to make sure that you generate enough revenue in the long run.
It's proof. It's a simple disruptor in the marketplace. When you know your customer and you know exactly what's missing in that niche,
right?
Take full advantage of it. So if you have any other stories about the David and Goliath or the little guy overcoming the big guy, underdog type of thing, go ahead and share your favorite stories below, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.